Look into the camera. Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs, Earthly Landscapes. I thought I'd do another indoor, somewhat outdoor plant tour. The outside is actually going to change somewhat drastically, but the inside has also changed a little bit as I've bought more plants and whatnot. So I thought I'd give you another updated tour, but before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, California native plants, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button down below. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so I'll have information about my business website for those that are interested in the description of the video. So let me turn this camera around. Alright, so we're going to start on the outside. I'm going to open the... They're actually currently painting the outside. They haven't started yet in my unit, but they're actually painting, and I'm actually really stoked that they're painting because this is the original paint color and this is the new, going to look better, increase my property value paint color. So I'm super stoked. So this is the current state of my patio. Eventually when they get to my unit, everything's going to have to be pushed to the side. They had to push everything to the side to fix this. So it's going to change. I'm going to remove the pallets and figure something out with those greenbor railing planters, which would look nice up here, but I can't have it up there because it's against HOA rules. So we'll figure it out. Alright, going inside, we've got Milo right there, the 14-year-old Tabby, and his sister Dottie is somewhere. So on this coffee table, this is actually, the living room area, or dining room slash living room. On this coffee table, I don't recall the name of this plant, but it is really pretty. And then I've got kind of this pothos here with this kind of vase of now practically dried roses. These 3 vases, or 3 planters, or whatever you want to call them, plus this elevado planter that I'm using as a tray is from West Elm. And then I have this pothead. It's an Etsy shop called Potheads by Amber, and I have this plant inside of it, and I love it because it's a cat skull. And then there's Milo again. He's always very curious, and he does bite some of the plants, but that's alright. And then on this kind of console table, I have a collection of plants and skulls. I'm really into skulls. Don't ask me why, I don't know, other than they fascinate me. So I've got these 2 skulls with air plants. This golden one I bought at Home Goods. And then this is another elevado planter, which is back in stock, I think, at West Elm. This little one planter is from Anthropology. The rest of the planters are either from Home Goods or OC Succulents. And then this, oh, my newest addition, planter from Rogers Gardens, and the plants from OC Succulents. And then I have this kind of tall plant here. Down here I have another pothos and various other plants and whatnot. And then here in this corner, another very large growing pothos. I believe that's a ZZ plant. I should know my plants, but I don't know the indoors all that well. And then here in these woolly pockets, we've got these ones that have been going really, really well. I thought about kind of maybe adding something to the sides, but so far I haven't. And then I got this kind of, shoot, I forget what this is called. Another plant here. And then by this window I have 2 pothos and some dahlias. Some of the dahlias that I tried on other parts of the house didn't fare so well after many months. And then I have this pothos on top of the refrigerator. Oh my god. Love, 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 love it. It is like just grown like a weed. What I might do is drape it on top of there. The only problem is then I won't really be able to easily access those dishes, but we'll see. And then this, which would be the pantry, I turned into the cat room because I don't use it. I have 2 cats, Milo and Dottie, so there's some pothos here, some mother-in-law's tongue, another pothos here. The purpose of this space is for them to just have their own home, I suppose, within a home. Like I said, my cat likes to eat plants. Milo, get out of there. Get down from there. Hey. In this area, which is kind of my altar prayer area, I have a ZZ plant, a pothos, and something else that I can't remember the name of. And this little thing here. There's Dottie. On this bedside table I have another ZZ, another plant. On that bedside table another ZZ. Actually these planters, which I call the llama planters, are from anthropology. And one of the newest additions, not a plant, but this hammock chair, which I really, really, really love. Just always wanted a hammock chair in my bedroom. And then here in the bathroom, we have this pothos here that's been growing really nicely, an air plant, and then this new addition back here. So yeah, that's pretty much it.